Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the UCL live events, Arsenal versus RC Longs in UCL group stage event in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So currently I'm using Arsenal as my team or as my club. And before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can complete the quest or challenge the event so you can get ton of reward from it. Let's get started by tap the play button, tap the live events, and tap this UEFA Champions League live event. So try to play the main one. If you're already done with the first match, it will be a skill game, dribble opponent race. Make sure you already done this. You are going through the next stage is second half in minute of 60 and you are leading by 1 over your opponent. So I'm using Arsenal. We are going to face the RC Lens for Ligue 1 or France League. And if you win, the guarantee reward is UCL point 4. Let's tap play. So welcome to the UCL group stage. In this match, we are going to face Arsenal with we are leading by 1. So make sure you win this game to progress into the next stage. Just play patiently or play with a passion. Make sure your leadings. Make sure you score once more to make it safe or to make sure you are win and you are so if you are win you are going to unlock the next stage, or you can play safely, just play defense or control the match, make a position to waste your time. But I recommend you to score one more goal to make sure you are win. So thank you for watching. Challenge yourself in this event. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.